Hello students, welcome back to all. In the previous lecture we have studied that the shadows in the early morning is longest. After sunrise, the length of our shadow reduces, so it is the shortest at noon. As sun moves toward the horizon in afternoon, the length of our shadow is largest. My dear students, now we are going to learn about local time. What is local time? The time at a particular place with reference to the overhead position of the sun in the sky is considered as the local time of that place. Dear students, in the regions lying in between the polar circles and the poles, the daytime could be more than 24 hours depending upon the seasons. As a result, understanding the timings of sunrise, noon, sunset, and midnight at these places becomes important. At the poles, the daytime and the duration of the day lasts around 6 months. To tell the time of sunrise or sunset at the poles, one has to consider the date when the sun rises on a specific day. It moves around the horizon, and therefore here the length of the shadow cannot be considered for telling the noon time. Now think about it. At the poles, sunrise occurs on one equinox and the sun sets on the next equinox. If you happen to be at any of the poles during this time, then what would be the route of the sun in the daytime? Second question. On which day would the sun appear at the highest point in the sky? Dear students, you have to write the answer of these questions in your notebook. You can use Diksha app for this. There you will get the answer of these questions. Different longitudes have different timing for sunrise, noon, and sunset. When it is noon at Mumbai, it wouldn't be the same at Kolkata because Kolkata lies to the east of Mumbai. It would be already be afternoon in Kolkata. The local time of a place on the earth's surface is determined with reference to its noon time. This implies that places lying on the same longitude have the same local time. There is no difficulty when local time is used for a small area. When people living in a larger area across different longitudes have to interact with each other, then using the local time could lead to confusion. In such cases, using the local time is not convenient. The local time of a place can be calculated with reference to the time at the prime meridian. Examine the examples given here. Example number first. Mashhad, a town in Iran, is located on the 60-degree longitude. When it is 12 noon at Greenwich, calculate the local time of Mashhad town. Statement is given here. As we move towards the east of the prime meridian, the local time increases by 4 minutes for every longitude. The difference between the longitudes of Greenwich and Mashhad is equal to 60 degree. Difference in local time is equal to 60 into 4 is equal to 240 minutes is equal to 240 divided by 60 minutes is equal to 4 hours. Here the answer, the local time at Mashhad would be 4 p.m. Let's see the example number 2. Manaus city in Brazil is located on 60 degree west longitude. What would be the local time at Manaus when it is 12 noon at Greenwich? See the statement. As we move towards the west of the prime meridian, the local time decreases by 4 minutes for every longitude. The difference in time is equal to 60 into 4 is equal to 240 minutes is equal to 240 divided by 60 minutes is equal to 4 hours. As Manaus is located to the west of Greenwich, the local time of Manaus is behind of Greenwich time by 4 hours, and therefore when it is noon at Greenwich, it would be 8 in the morning at Manaus. Dear students, we have studied that the local time is different in different parts of the world. The daily routine of the people there is determined according to the local time in those places. Study this map and answer the following questions. Use the relation between degrees and time for this. Question number 1. Between which longitudes does the region experience daytime? Answer is here. The region shown between 90 degree west and 90 degree east. Second, which longitudes experience noon and midnight respectively? Answer is here. It is 0 degree longitude and 180 degree longitude. Question number 3. Edward from New Orleans is on which longitude? Answer, it is 90 degree west longitude. Next question, that is question number 4. What is the time at Accra city? Answer, the time at Accra city is 12 noon. Next question, at the same time, what is Sharad from Patna and Akito from Japan doing? Answer, Sharad is returning home from school and Akito is preparing for the night sleep. It is 5:30 p.m. at Patna and 9:20 p.m. at Tokyo. Dear students, calculate the local time of the longitude lying 1 degree to the west and east of this longitude. First is the selected longitude 80 degree east. The local time of the selected longitude is 5:20 p.m. Second is the local time of the longitude lying 1 degree to the west of the selected longitude, that is 79th degree east, will be 5:16 p.m. Third, the local time of the longitude lying 1 degree to the east of the selected longitude 81 degree east will be 5:20 p.m. Now, think about it. What is the maximum number of local times that can there be in the world? Answer, it is 36 times. Second, how many longitudes pass the sun in 1 hour? Answer, 15 longitude pass the sun in 1 hour. Dear students, use your brain power. Take correct mark the time in the boxes which you can tell without using clock. My dear students, you have to solve this activity in your notebook. Now, geographical explanation. Longitudes lying to the east of any longitude are ahead of the time at that longitude, while those lying to the west are behind. As the distance between two longitudes increase, the local times also starts differing. If we multiply the difference between longitudes in degrees by 4 minutes, then the difference in the respective local times can be calculated. The difference in longitudes can be known with the help of a globe or map. Carry out the activity given on page number 75 and 76 and try to understand the standard time of various locations. Then, my dear students, worksheet is given here. Solve these worksheets and write down the notes which I have given. So, next point, that is standard time, we will learn in our next period. Thank you. Have a nice day.